but I just want to share my perspective about how to use AI responsibly. And I hope that this could be like a good conversational piece. And I would love to hear some feedback if you feel this way or feel differently. AI can help with things that you would have probably needed to Google or search anyways, right? And as a developer, we're always Googling, searching. In the past, we would use, Stack Overflow or something like that. This AI can more or less give us a composite form of information, or it could even go and pull those sources on our behalf and present them to us in a derivative way, so to speak. So essentially, that is really what I look, for AI to do at its best. Connect me with information that I was probably already going to look up in the first place. So, anyways, the big thing here that I do want to say, however, is that when you use AI, you can build incredibly fast. You can go from 0 to 60. You could probably crunch out a poorly built but working application in just a matter of a day or a week, depending on what you're making, right? An AI can get you there really fast, but very sloppily. So one of the most important things that you provide in this whole process of agentic development, or AI assisted engineering, is you provide oversight and you provide feedback and you provide architectural direction for where to go. Also, your one of your main responsibilities is to make sure that AI is doing this code in a way that is maintainable, but it has a tendency to create code in a way that is optimized for tokenage, for token usage and availability, rather than building in a way that is optimized for, an actual application that needs to stand some type of test of time. And what that oftentimes means is really big, large, monolithic files. Your job is to make sure that AI is following a design that makes sense and with the idea of architecture that is also sensical. And AI has a really hard time of seeing beyond a certain scope, especially when you start to deal with things like deployment, infrastructure, um, microservices, all that kind of stuff.